A true SiO2 sealant that's shockingly easy to use. Introducing Cure and Cure Matte Redefined. Silica-based spray sealants that were originally designed as sacrificial layers for freshly applied ceramic coatings, but have since staked their claim as solid standalone products. These new redefined cures are easier to apply than the previous version, but don't expect any less results. They will improve the hydrophobics and chemical resistance on both coated and non-coated cars, and while the normal cure adds strong gloss to a vehicle's surface, the matte version adds color depth and saturation. If you want a simplified breakdown of each cure, just take a look at the benefit icons located on their labels. These are phenomenal maintenance toppers for ceramic coated vehicles, so after you use a product like Restart Wash to revitalize coating's original properties, lock them in with one of these cures. These products often get overused. 2 to 3 sprays per panel should be enough. Then buff the product until you get your desired result. We also recommend using a polish wipe as your microfiber of choice.